Hey guys, it's Marching Guy Waiting Productions here. We're waiting for the required weekly test right now, as you can see. But one thing of this Firelight BG12 is once you activate it, yes, as you can see, I have nothing wired up to it yet. I need to get them wired up to this simplex True Alert. And stay tuned for another poll station, because another simplex True Alert is right there. But this will be on separate controls. Let's see if I can actually open this up. You can see the mechanism right here. I have a hex wrench. I would recommend do not buy the hex wrenches pull stations because if you're like using it at a school or something, this is extremely bad. Because most people's will reset it with their own hex wrenches keys, and it's not good for them actually. It's not. So I recommend key switches are much better at schools, and I have a hex wrench. Well, this is my own fire alarm, so let me set it real quick before it scares the crap out of me. The work our weekly test. I always keep the hex wrench key in there. See? Oh yes, the cheating part. I'll show you on the front side. See, there you go. Alright, eventually we'll start wire these up. I might do the first system test one on this fire alarm. That will be it. Listen to this, guys. Once I reset. Okay, listen. You can hear the switch. Let me do that again. You hear that, guys? That was the switch. How cool is that? KJ.
Have also been activated as a test. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. If hazardous weather threatens during the normal test time, the test is postponed to the next clear weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting South Central and Southeast Colorado. For more information on the coverage areas of our 9 transmitters, go to our website, weather.gov/Pueblo, and under the local information, click on the NOAA Weather Radio page. This concludes the weekly test. We now go back to routine programming.
That stands for normal programming, by the way, guys.
The extended forecast for northern El Paso County, including Monument, Pierre,
acknowledge that. Alright, that's it. You probably heard me see my resetting the BG12. That's it.